How to open a Revolut account. So once you've downloaded the Revolut app, open it and click on sign up. First, it's going to ask you to enter your phone number. So enter that in and then click on sign up. Next, it will send you a 6-digit code. Next, it's going to ask you if you would like to enable push notifications. So you can either click enable push notifications and click allow, or don't allow and click on not now. Next, it's going to ask you for your country of residence. Click on the drop down. Here, you'll be able to search your country. Once you found it, click confirm and click on sign up securely. Next, it will ask you for your email address. So enter your email address. Next, it's going to ask you to create a 6-digit password. So create a password. Then it's going to ask you to confirm your password. The next step is you can choose to enable Face ID. This is a handy feature. So if you would like to enable that, you simply click on enable Face ID. Next is going to ask you to write your first and last name just like you have it in the passport. Then it's going to ask you for your date of birth. Next is going to ask you for your home address. So click on search address, confirm your address and click on continue. Next is going to ask you to accept and continue their terms of service. So you can click on personal terms if you would like to and read them through. Once everything looks good, click on accept and continue. Next is going to ask you to verify your identity with a quick photo. So you need to maintain a neutral expression and avoid smiling. It won't be your profile picture and your photo is going to be secure and used for verification needs only. Next is going to ask you if you are a citizen of the country that you have indicated. If that's the case, then click on yes. Next is going to ask you to pick a document to verify your identity. In my case, I can either pick a passport or a national ID. Once you've chosen which one you want to go with, click on continue. Once everything looks good, click on submit photo. Next is going to ask you to enter your social security number. So enter that in and click on continue. Next, Revolut is going to ask you if your country is your sole tax residency. So here you need to choose either a yes or a no. In my case, it's yes. Next is going to ask you what you would like to use Revolut for. Choose the things that you would like to use Revolut for and click on continue. Next is going to ask you to choose a ref tag and upload your profile picture. Next is going to ask you to find friends on Revolut. So in the next step, you will be able to choose which plan you would like to go with. So you can either choose the Ultra plan, you can choose the Metal plan, the Premium plan, or the Plus plan. Alternatively, if you would like to go with the free plan, you simply click on Not Now in the top right corner. Next is going to ask you to choose whether you would like to have a physical or a virtual card. In this case, I'm going to go with virtual. And lastly, you will need to add money to your account, order a physical card, add the card to Apple Wallet, and make 3 card payments. And just like that, you have successfully opened your Revolut account. If you would like to learn how to use Revolut, click on the video on the screen for a complete tutorial on all the features and how to use Revolut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.